What I used to quarrel with Ashadu for, I'll give you 4, so you will know why I'm not so happy with him. The first is that he has been too silent on restructuring, whereas Atiku has been very loud. He has to understand that the restructuring for the Yoruba nation is a bigger argument. And what is our argument in restructuring? We don't want a nation that will be preventing us from making our type of progress. The other thing I have a problem with him is that because of his policy in Lagos, people now have disdained education because he created the canonization and the royalization of street urchins. And everywhere you go in Yoruba land, people are stamping their feet on the ground. That's a policy that must be reversed. Education is our heritage. How did we get to this level? Bola has himself to blame. The third one that I'm upset with him, in democracy, before the Bola Tinubu came, we didn't have a situation where somebody would just be governor because of that. He would think that after him is the one that is going to own the state, he's been the successor, he'll be the... What the hell? That's another problem for democracy for me. And then the final problem, as all our consciences died, that you will not tell me, you knowing fully well that you are not at your level of vitality that you were before. You couldn't see any of our sons who nobody could have accused of making balabolo balabili. Is that how Bola used to talk when he was younger? So why did Bola become so little? Are there no more young men that have vitality in the southern part of this country? Even in Yoruba land that he could have backed at his level. I expect Bola Tinubu not to see immortality in presidency. I'm not happy that he chose this responsibility not at the prime of his capacity in terms of strength. Nobody needs to be explaining to us in Yoruba land that, oh, he's brilliant. We know. But what about when he's no longer at the normal state that he used to be? Do you want somebody to come and do Yaradua for us?